Bitcoin saw a dump. We lost 21k right here and we went back into this channel. Right now we are testing the middle of the channel, guys, and in today's video I want to have a talk about whether this is just a pullback and Bitcoin might resume this uptrend, or whether we can see a further drop in the Bitcoin price. And I actually think that we have some very clear signals that we can use in order to predict when this move is going to end, or if this move is going to result in a bigger drop in the Bitcoin price, which might be resulting in that 4-year cycle low coming into the first half of November. Guys, that will be the topic of today's video. If you enjoyed this time of content, make sure to smash up that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's dive straight into it. In yesterday's video, guys, I've been telling that I actually expect multiple scenarios, right? We have to watch how it unfolds. I was thinking we could see this bear bull flag formation break out to the upside, create a bearish divergence, and then dump. But I was also very clear, it really depends on the signals. And one of the signals that I've been pointing out, that is the average funding fee over on Will Portal. And when this one turned positive, guys, that was of course a very bearish sign. When it's turning this positive, that is also what we have seen in the price. Eventually, the Bitcoin price action just dropped because the majority of the traders are long during this formation. And this is just basically how it works, guys. The majority of the traders, the majority of the positions in the markets mostly will not get rewarded, and right here there's no difference as well. The majority is long after already such a pump. We were actually very bullish on this channel right here. I've been even going on a live before this breakout saying that I'm quite sure that we are breaking out right here. Like I said yesterday, I was quite sure that Bitcoin were to come down, but I actually thought we still could see one last touch of liquidity because of that bull flag formation and because the relative strength index was retracing quite fast. But we did came down. We lost 21k. Now we test the middle of the channel. And we do see some interesting signals, because I want to go with you guys to the daily time frame. I think the daily time frame can help us to check whether we can see a further correction in Bitcoin or not. Because when we draw a uptrend on the relative strength index right here, then we can see that this is a very important level for Bitcoin on the relative strength index, and most likely we will be coming down right here to test this level during the coming days. And if we break this level to the downside, guys, that would be actually quite bearish, because look at this formation. We got like actually a nice potential reversal formation, right? We got like a bottom, a V-shaped bottom, then we could make a U-shaped bottom. This is known as a Adam and Eve reversal pattern. But with this pattern, we can see that the price action of Bitcoin slightly goes up. It has a little bit trouble to really push hard, right? But in the relative strength index, we're actually pushing quite hard. We are in a real established uptrend. So that can basically mean two things. And I know this is quite confusing, but it can be bullish. For example, right here, it is really bullish because it shows us that the momentum in the background is going up while price is moving sideways. We see the price follow, but we don't see like a very explosive move in the price yet. And we actually want to see the same explosion in the price as we see in the relative strength index. Otherwise, there is a risk that this is a retracement, or actually is signaling a retracement, that the price goes up, but the relative strength index goes up more aggressively, which means that we have more room to go to the downside, basically creating space for more downside momentum. That is the bearish sign. So that's why I'm saying in the next coming days, most likely we will come down, we will touch this level. And if we were to break this level to the downside, the chances definitely increase, guys, that we are going to see a 4-year cycle low, and we're going to see Bitcoin maybe with some firework going into a low. I think that is definitely possible. We also heard some rumors about FTX right now having some liquidity problems. Binance want to dump all the FTX tokens over a period of time, of course, but this is already showing that there's a little bit instability going on, which might be the trigger of the next event, which might be the trigger of the next liquidation event. I do want to be clear, we don't need a liquidation event like we had right here or like we had right here. We don't need it necessarily, but if we do get another liquidation event, guys, that would be a very, very bullish signal, because that basically means that we will get a liquidation event around the timing of the 4-year cycle low, which makes it highly likely that that will actually be the 4-year cycle low, which basically means that if you buy during the next capitulation, we don't know if that is going to happen and where the level will be. We have to take that the moment we can see it in the chart. And guys, we can use Will Portal. We can use the premium index basically to predict the exact bottom during a capitulation event. This is a crazy powerful chart, the premium index. And yeah, I never heard any trader talking about this to use for trading. I'm the first one. That's because I actually found this by myself. Through my experience and through my testing, I actually found a way how to use this premium index, at least the average premium index, for trading, spotting reversals. And I've been sharing this over on Twitter, also on Will Portal. We have already predicted quite a lot of reversals. Basically, this reversal that we are seeing right now was also triggered before by a premium signal on the premium index. So I think that is a very unique and very good signal to use, and we can use that signal also in capitulation events, because during a capitulation event we also see a big divergence between spot and contract prices, and once we are seeing a crazy extreme, we can basically predict that reversal. So actually, when we are looking here, we got that signal exactly at the top. We got a premium signal, and I actually shorted this move. But what we also see is, like, sometimes we still get a move to the upside, but still we do see that reversal. And the premium signal was basically the first signal which you could use in order to spot that reversal. And it definitely gives you a big advantage against other traders, as literally nobody is using this metric. I never heard any YouTube, I never heard any other trader in my circles talking about this metric, and I don't know any articles online and so on which are talking about this. Soon I will publish some articles about this, so you will be able to read more theoretics about that over on the Will Portal website. But yeah, right now we just have the YouTube channel with the explanations. YouTube channel you can find in the description down below. Guys, we are right now building a big notification center for all the signals over on Will Portal, which will give you basically signals whenever something happens, but not only in these charts, but also in different charts like the FIX, the Dixie, in stablecoins dominance charts, and so on. And right now we want to launch that very, very soon. And the only ones that can enter in the first batch are people that are trading under our affiliates. So if you scroll down below this video, I have a couple of affiliate links. One to Bybit, one to BitGet, one to PrimeXBT, and one to Femix. If you join one of these exchanges with the affiliate link down below, and you are an active trader, which means you deposit and you trade as well, then you are able to submit your user ID and you will be invited to enter that Telegram channel with alerts, which I think is very, very valuable, because once we have that Telegram channel with alerts, we will finalize it and optimize it. And once it is optimized, we will be charging monthly for this service, a monthly subscription. But if you are already in as an active trader, it basically means that you've entered for free and that you also are excluded from that monthly fee. So when you sign up on Bybit, for example, with this affiliate link down below, Nothing changes for you. There's a fee that you normally have to pay to Bybit, which you still do if you are doing certain trades, right? You always have some kind of fee. Right now, only Bybit is giving a part of that fee to Will Portal, so we can use that for developments and so on, paying for hosting, stuff like that. So if you are interested in this extra service, guys, I would highly recommend you to take advantage of that right now by joining one of these exchanges and become an active trader, because once we launch this service, there will be a very short amount of time where you actually could prove that you are an active trader, right? You got to submit your ID, your user ID from one of these exchanges, and we can see in the backbone whether you are an active trader or not. And when it's not active, when it's not a serious sign up, of course, we also won't do anything with that, because we just want to have a very short, like a very small group of people, but serious people, which we, where we can work together with to finalize this product and really optimize, so we can bring a lot of value to the table. That's really what we want. We want to bring a lot of value. I really want to help a lot of traders to get out of the charts 24/7, to be there whenever certain signals are flashing, because you can be more sure of a certain outcome. Definitely help every single one of you to become a better and more profitable trader. Guys, if you are interested in that, you can find all of these links down below. The link to the Will Portal dashboard and the Will Portal YouTube is also down below. Also to the Twitter pages, where we are also sharing automated signals. So these positive funding rates, guys, these were already shared over on Twitter. So if you now and then forget to look at the Will Portal website, make sure to follow us over on Twitter, because these signals will be shared over on Twitter as well, where you can see them and where you get reminded that just a new signal or just some new data came in. So highly recommend it, guys, to go over Twitter and follow Will Portal. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, smash up that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I want to wish all of you a great day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.